good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our tested series. Today, my friends, we have got a sweet smartphone mount. So, my friends, let's see what's in the box. Alright, so first things first, you can see you can visit Viewflex.com by just hitting the button. Package is easy to open. It comes in a foam protective carrying case. User's manual. You'll note it shows that it's the double grip on the manual, but I have got the single grip version. We are looking at the H4 edition, so we have got the clamp, electronic handle, and connecting rod included. Nice diagram of all of the parts. You can see we've got a hot shoe, an A-type hot shoe, the short joint screw. We've got the one-touch Bluetooth remote control, which is always super handy. Handle. It's got bottom threads for the 1/4 inch, so you can put it on a small tripod. It's got a fixing screw for the other hot shoe, handle screw, clamp for 1/4 inch thread, adjusting screw, versatile smartphone clamp, the connecting rod, and 1/4 and 3/8 inch ports. Taking a quick peek at the installation, you can see there's the handle screw, and then we attach the phone clamp, and then we select the appropriate direction for what we're trying to do. If we wanted to use the little connecting arm, you just add that in between them. So this is the handle with the Bluetooth adapter. This is the arm if we had a hot shoe device that we wanted to add. And here is the smartphone connector. It has a label to show the bottom, and of course that hot shoe is up top. Speaking of the hot shoe, here is a little hot shoe that would go on the connector arm. I'm going to loosen this up real quick so that I can attach my Galaxy S9. I'm going to leave it in the case because it gives me that much room. You can see that this moves out as you turn it. Once you've got it where you want, you can use that same connector to lock it into place. You can see that I can twist it and it holds it in nice and steady. Get a real firm grip on your phone. Alright, so when you tap the little button, it powers up, and then you just need to connect it to the Bluetooth in your phone. Down on the very bottom, the Viewflex. Connected. Alright, I'm going to slide this back in. Let's do a quick stroll around and catch ourselves some video. Alright, so you can see that it gives you a nice grip. There's a little bit of rubber down here so that it does have a nice feel to it. And then I just rolled down to video mode, and look at this. Tap the button, and because of that Bluetooth connection, boom, I am in record mode that easy. Alright, so now we are walking through using the handheld grip. You can see this is much slicker than trying to hold it in my hand. We can zoom in and take a look at one of the 3D prints I'm trying to do. This is a sweet little balloon dog, and you can see that you can create much higher quality video because you've got it carried like this. And if you had cool hot shoe devices like I probably should have, you would actually get better audio as well. Alrighty, friends, so as you can see, it is a sweet little device, gives you one touch, easy press video recording in an instant, and it's very, very sturdy, locks in well. If you've got the hot shoe adapters, you got all kinds of options as well. So friends, if you're interested in it, I will have a link in the description where you can actually purchase it. Friends, if you liked the video, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.